You're here at the Mouse Vibes. We're at the biggest Halloween party ever, Halloween Horror Nights Orlando.
This is the world's premier Halloween event with 10 terrifying haunted houses, 5 scare zones, and 2 live shows.
We are so excited to be here because our first haunt together ever was Halloween Horror Nights 30. Last year, I'm ready to freak dance. I'm ready to party with these monsters, get my drink on with my friends. Let's go.
Welcome back to another Mouse Vibes video. So stoked to be back at Universal Orlando for Halloween Horror Nights 2022.
We are so excited. We're kicking off the night. We did the stay-in screen, which was great. So we were able to get a cocktail and just chill and not be as hot. And now we're gonna go start the first maze. What is it called, Bugs?
It's the Bugs house. That's where we're going. Number 1.
And that's Camp Travels.
It's not the number 1 house. I don't know why I said number 1.
It's our number 1 house right now. First house we're doing.
It's y'all's first house.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Wait, are you scared of bugs?
I don't like bugs. I'm excited, but FYI, you guys, we can't film in the houses, but we're gonna let you know how we like them. If you want to check out the full walkthrough of all the Halloween Horror Nights Orlando houses, check out Ordinary Adventures, Super Enthused, all of our friends.
And the Pew 2!
And the Pew 2! Who we love. We just got to meet them yesterday, but we'll let you know how we like the houses, okay? We watched everybody's YouTube videos and everyone's like, oh my god, Bugs Being Alive was not that bad. It was super fun. It was not fun. It scared the crap out of me. I couldn't see. I was breathing in fumes. I got every single scare. The guy was like, Gah! And the little wall thingies. That was effed up. 5 out of 5 vibes. I almost pissed myself again. Sorry.
The mid-century vibes are next level. I love that house. It was super, super dark. At one point I looked and Ashley was right in front of me and I got distracted by one of the bugs coming out of the wall and it was just Cam and I standing there breathing in fumes. 5 out of 5 vibes. Great way to get our day started. Let's hit our second house right now, which is gonna be called
Descendants of Terror.
Or nope, Descendants of Destruction.
Nick can't read. It's Descendants of Destruction. Let's go.
Right off the bat, the biggest difference between the houses in Hollywood and Orlando is how much darker it is. I can't see anything. That last house we went through, Descendants of Destruction, is so terrifying. 5 out of 5 vibes.
Oh my god, the last room with all the skeleton wall guys, so good. To Nick's point, I was literally gonna say the same thing. They're so dark inside, which makes it even scarier. 5 out of 5 vibes for Descendants of Destruction.
That last triple scare at the end was the best. Thank you to Cam for leading the way. I like pushed him like 100 times.
Yeah, it was scary. I'll be honest, that's the first time I've gone through the house completely sober. So I was terrified, I can't lie.
Jay, what did you just make us do, man? What the hell? You said I got you a nice route to start off your Halloween Horror Nights, and we both shoes our pants.
I was just trying to catch the subway. It's fine.
What are their parents like if those are the Descendants?
I don't know. I don't know. It's definitely not a Disney film. I thought it was Descendants, like the Disney Channel film. It was bad.
Yeah.
It's very bad.
There's no singing at all in that.
No musical number.
It is not Halloween Horror Nights on either coast unless you get an alcoholic beverage in a Blinky Cup. This is amazing. I'm so excited to add it to my collection. I got the Electric Death. It's a gin, rum, a bunch of different things in it. I couldn't tell you. We'll put it in the description, but it looks like slime juice or something. Oh yeah. That's good. It's super sweet, a lot of sugar. We're on vacation, I'm sweating it off. I love this. I'm gonna give it 5 vibes, but I just love the cup. And I found out I get discounted refills with this cup throughout the night.
That's amazing. They're promoting more drinking and having fun. Just keep that cup.
Cause I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation, yeah!
Decisions have been made. We're gonna do our third house of the night, the weekend. This is a house that we have on both coasts. So excited to do this. It's only a 35-minute wait.
Put some respect on Abel's name. I know this house is gonna be great. I feel so lucky that we get it on both coasts. I'm so pumped for it. This one had a lot more tight spaces than ours over in Hollywood. I loved it. They crushed it. I do like the Hollywood one a bit more, just because it's like Hollywood, the weekend, the music capital of the world type of thing, but like that was fire. They crushed it. The room with like the bloody plastic surgery people was so great. 5 out of 5 vibes.
I just love going to the house and listening to Weekend's music and just having a good time. Get me drunk enough and I think I'm on the weekend in there, so.
I love that house. A lot of friends that went to Orlando before going into Hollywood said Hollywood was much better. I don't know if I agree with that. I thought it was way scarier here. Regardless, both coasts, 5 out of 5 vibes.
So I got the Ghoul Juice as my second haunted drink of the night, and it is a brandy and rum based drink, and I got a discounted refill in my little Blinky Cup. Ooh, that's strong. That's good. I liked the Electric Death a bit better, but this is good. I'm gonna give this 4 vibes. I'm not like a rum brandy person, but it's Halloween, boo. I'm gonna drink it, okay? And then we got pizza fries. Everybody who's anybody told us we have to get pizza fries. This looks great. We're just gonna go right. I'm so hungry. Yeah. Oh yeah. 5 vibes. So good to replenish in between houses. I love it.
This is my very first pizza fry experience here at Universal Orlando. It's like a rite of passage. It's a badge of honor.
We don't need no stinking budget.
Get all the fixins though. Yes.
Definitely DiGiorno pizza, which is 5 vibes. Combination of fries and pizza is awesome. That hits every time. Is this the scare zone? Yeah, the scarecrow.
The scarecrow stare zone.
It's Cone.
It's Cone.
Oh my god.
That was
Cone. Oh my god.
People for fall want to have their pumpkin spice lattes, pumpkin spice everything. We want the Pumpkin King. Let's go.
I want to get scooped by the Pumpkin Lord.
Yeah, this is the Pumpkin Lord. Pumpkin King is Jack. I butchered that.
I don't know. Whatever. All hail the pumpkin people. I just love pumpkins. Okay?
Hey, shout out to pumpkin people.
Shout out to pumpkin people.
I extend my grabbing vines and grow Halloween. Now accept your praise. I am the Pumpkin Lord.
All right, this feels way more like Universal Orlando. Let's go. Halloween Horror Nights officially starts now.
Dude, it's been such a good night so far. The party's just getting started. We still have more houses, and we still got more drinks to go, so let's do it.
Wrong with the candy. Get off me! Please stop, you
20 minutes later.
This is it! Don't get scared now!
This is it. Don't get scared now.
Kevin McAllister, Home Alone. Let's go!
This store is set up like a dark ride.
What?
Look, there's tracks. Look, here's the station. You go.
Oh my gosh, there are actual tracks here. Look at this. The Pumpkin Lord. All hail the Pumpkin Lord.
I need that.
Do you have that shirt, Cam?
I do not, but I do need it.
You need it. You look awesome in it.
Wait, I need that.
This fits you.
I'm sorry. Did I not praise him earlier?
You praised him.
Would I
She actually danced on it.
That's true.
I freaked on him. Go check our TikTok. Yeah. But I would be a hypocrite if I didn't all hail the Pumpkin Lord.
The only thing that Ashley needs more in her collection is another black horror shirt. So yeah, go with it.
I'm getting it. But hey, babe, look, come over here.
Have you ever been in between the legs of a Pumpkin Lord?
I have not.
One thing we have to do is pay respects to the living and the dead. And some of our friends have actually passed and they live here now forever.
I want to lay this down to my beautiful Halloween queen, Kitra. Rest in peace. We love you, Kitra. You're a beautiful soul. I just want to pay my respects here.
We're gonna put some respect on Peter's name as well. Peter. And there's only one way, and we're not gonna enter it, but we're gonna give you an awesome, nice pink flower. This really sets your soul apart from everyone else. Everyone knows this is awesome. You're the best, Peter. May you rest in pieces. I was actually gonna leave this flower for Peter and Kitra, but I decided to keep it because I'm too stingy. So aloha.
Aloha! We loved seeing our friends and a bunch of other YouTubers getting paid respects in this little graveyard area. This is so awesome. I want to do this next year. How do we do this? In full transparency, I'm not an Orlando influencer professional. I don't know what this scare zone is. I just know that there's a lot of witches in it and I'm really excited, so let's go.
You are not an Orlando informer at all.
I'm just here to party because it's the biggest Halloween party ever.
I appreciate your biceps, Demon. Everyone knows it. Yes!
Let's go!
What do you think she did wrong?
Probably told the truth or something. She's probably really educated and know how to read, and they're like,
She probably knows how to read and like follow the rules. They're like, we hate women.
thank you, you're beautiful, everyone knows it.
Why are you giving other witches flowers and not me?
She's not a basic witch, okay? Put some respect on her.
Wow, I'm just kidding. I love you. I'll hail all the witches.
Put some respect on her name! Let's go!
That was a joke. I'm not a jealous girl. I want to be the only witch in your life, baby.
Honestly, this vlog is all over the place, but that's what makes Universal Orlando, Universal Orlando. Halloween Horror Nights so far is a 5 out of 5 vibes. I love it. I hear a lot of people trying to compare Hollywood to Orlando. There's no comparison. They're their own separate things, and I love them both.
We're about to go into the Dead Man's Pier Maze. This is my most anticipated Halloween Horror Nights Orlando maze. I heard it is beautiful, terrifying, cold, all of the things. I am so excited.
It's the chef's kiss of houses. It is beautiful.
Love that. Jay, what do you think?
You're not ready.
I'm not ready.
You're not ready.
Strings on the wind, piercing the cold deep.
Okay, that was the most visually stunning haunted house I've ever been through. The violin woman, the lighthouse, the aesthetic, it was perfect.
I'm gonna agree 100% on that. The budget alone, just for the air conditioning in that room, there's little water falling down. The lady who plays the violin, obviously is top 2 violin players of all time, right after the guy from Yellow Card, but I loved it. That was definitely 5 vibes. All right, and that's gonna wrap up everything here at Halloween Horror Nights at Universal Studios Orlando.
We had the absolute best night with our besties, and we proved to you that it's the best and biggest Halloween party of the entire year of the universe, all of it. Thank you, Cam and Jay. Get in here, you guys. If you're new to this channel, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and if not, thanks for stopping by.